The ball for Minas. Pinasaan number 9. Muli ka number 12. Number 12. Sumalaksak. Pinasa sa 3 points for number 11. No good. Counts-up score. Rebound by Agul. Number 18. Bringing the ball. Number 12. Oliver Soto. Ganda ng skill. Number 9, nasa ka number 24. Too easy. Ay! Hindi pa pumasok. Sayang. Orange ball. Sayang. Pinasa. Sub next, friend. Sub next. Rebound. Sa orange. Sa Monde. And 1. Who's foul rep? 24. Foul number 24. Convert the 3 points. Samuel. 16-8. Last 50 seconds of the game. Same ball, B-Knights ball. Pasensya na, inato kasi 3 points. No good. Agol, pinasa kay Marvin. No, Marvin, nawala na. Last 25 seconds. Number 12, sinalasak. No good. Kuha number 11. Pinasa ka number 9. Number 9. Sumalaksak. Tumiran. No good. Rebound lagi na dun. Ang lakas ka dun. Kobe. 10 seconds. Kobe. Lamay up. Puntos. What a plus by Kobe. 12. Number 9, tumira! Galing! 18-11. That's clear the first quarter.
Pre, 20 na pre, ba? Layup ni Kobe?
18.
18 yan,
Tapos yung foul ko doon.
18 na yun,
18-11 na. 18-11. 11.
Dati 16-18, di ba? 11. 16-18, di ba? O dati ano?
Hindi, 18-11 pre. Pareha yung tatlong ano namin dito score. 18-18 oh.
Second quarter. Number 11, winning the ball. Oops, attack to number 11. Nasa Adol. Adol, ang ganda na naman ang pasa ng Adol kay Kobe. Kobe, Umorma, winning the ball. Kobe. Kobe, humingi na screen, wala screen. Granate, para maitin. Brayton. Dalwa. Sanchez. Tamil. Good. Show. Babawi na dito yung B-Knights. Wala nang hangin yung ano. in this league, number 11. And number 24, Benedict 11. Line ball, stepping. Hangin pa pala number 10. Number 10 na lang yung hangin sa orange. Kobe, sumalaksak, umikit, umira, no good. Rebound ulit si Adol, ang lakas. Adol, tumira, no good, too strong. Rebound number 9 for B-Nice. Pinasa sa basket, number 34. Galing. Mark Henry, number 10. Ang ganda ng pasa. Uy, hindi na na-convert. Number 10 ulit, Mark Henry. Wow, strong rebound. 2013. Still in favor of Empress League by 7. Next up, Red, next up. Number 4. Mira ng 3. No, that's up short. Sub. Out number 4, in number 7 for B-Nights. Game. Nahuli. Buti na lang, nandiyan si Adol. Pinasa kay Marvin, kumiki. Pinasa ang ganda ng tira ni Kobe doon. 2 points for number 46, Kobe. What a pass by Marvin, 6'9". Number 11 sa B-Nights. Pinasa kay Chol. Sulaksak, pinasa kay number 9. Pinasa kay number 11. Oops, bitawan yung bola. Buti nga na Dustin Ford. Nandiyan naman si Adol. Bravo ang Seldon. Oy, no good. What a defense. Ang ganda ng defense ng Investment. Sub, Red, sub. Sub, who's in, who's out? Out 11, in 23. Turnover. Ano yan? Decision na yun ng referee. Number 23 sa B-Nights. Sumalaksak. Tumira. Pumuntos. What a left hand layup. Kobe. Number 6. Sumalaksak. Tumira si Kobe. No good. Comes up short. Number 9 for rebound. Number 9 dribbling the ball. Nakapagmasaan sa step. Tumira. Block by number 18. What a block by Everest League, number 18. 22-15. Malapit na. Number 12. Teardrop for number 12. Putos. What a teardrop point by number 12. Mark Henry. Pinasa kay Marvin. Ang ganda ng pasta naman na yun. Uy! Hindi na convert ka doon. Sabi na doon. Buti pa yung isda. Makana ko. Pero ang bola di ko ma-shoot. Number 23, pinasa ka number 24. Sulaksak, no good, para good defense. Number 7 for rebound. Pinasa ka 12, tumira ng 3. No good, too strong. Empress League ball. 17-22. Lapit na. Ganda ng depensa ng B-Nights dito. Wow. Number 24, foul number 24. Next up, everyone, next up. Stop. Who's in, who's out? Time out! Interesting! Hindi, parang mata ka mo. 22-17 in favor of Empress League.
Tawa dito, laay kayo.
Dito. to the ball game.
Hindi tayo gusto matubig? Ikaw, gusto tubig bro?
Number 8 for B-Knights dribbling the ball. Number 7. Pinasa ka number 9. Magawa ka na yung drawing ng kanila dito na coach. Number 34. That's the play. Pumuntos! Ang ganda ng drawing ng coach nila doon. Next up, Brett. Next up. 22-20. Dalawang puntos lang. Still right. Number 33. Number 33. Lumayap. Pumuntos! What a point by number 23. Lumabon. 22-0. Number 18.
Hindi na pwede maglaro yung late.
Good, good. Walang ano. Number 10. Mira. Good. Palo kay number 18. For this link. Sam next, Red. Sam next. Number 8. Cleaned up again for number 8. No good. Consumption. Rebound number 7. Tumira. Foul. Sub, Red. Sub. Foul number 10.
Sub shooter. Sub shooter.
First shot, no good. Last 2 minutes of the second quarter of the game. Second shot, no good pa rin. Pinasa natin sa akin. Dip, pinasa kay Aaron Chen. Chase, no good. Turnover agad. Number 9, for B-Knights. Number 9, bumulilo sa malaksak. Tumira ang Tumira. Ang galing. Pass break ulit. Ang Rendoy! Nabitawan ni Nate yung bola. Sayang! What a defense by B-Knights. Number 8, pinasakit 3. Side step. Double dribble. Sub red, sub. Sub. Come on. Outside and into the seat. Game. Number 18. Number 10. Wow, all the way, coast to coast. 26-24. Namang ulit. Number 7. Pinasa ka number 8. Number 8. Pinasa sa 3 points. Number 9. Sumalaksak. Block. Kobe. Ping. Pinasa kay Jess. Tumila. Pongos. 28-24. 15 seconds. Number 23 for B-Knights. Number 23. Pinasa ka number 9. Number 9. Sumalaksak. Clean drop. Pongos. Last 30 seconds. Jess. Pasang the spring. Plan number 10. Note. Same ball. 25 seconds. Kobe. Ang ganda ng ikot. Transaction na tira. Dave for rebound. Dave pumigay. Pinasa ka number 10. Sumalaksak. Ganap. 30-26. Last 10 seconds. Good. Pinasa ka number 7. Ang ganda ng pasa. 5 seconds. Mangas. 3, 2, 1. And 28-30. What a hustle by B-Knights. This game is brought to you by UBL, ang kaagawin mo sa larong basketball. Number 69, Samoli, class number 10, tumila ng 3. On way, no good. Rebound, what a strong rebound by Nara. Foul number 18. Foul.
Sir 18?
18.
Anong sinagtatanong?
Foul number 10, pushing foul. Ilang foul naman?
O may reklamo sa player kung slight contact foul daw. So if it is slight contact, we'll call a foul.
Oh.
Your player will keep on complaining.
Reference decision, reference decision. Foul number 7. Side contact is foul.
Na-foul yung 10. Tapos
Ilan na
13 fouls.
Isa.
Foul. Number 18. Pushing foul. Second personal foul. Samuel, Sam number 18.
Number 18.
18 out, 18. South. Was it an act of shooting here? Act of shooting. First shot, no good for number 7. Second shot. No good pa rin. Rebound, Jess. Oy! Nahuli ni number 7. Number 7. What an easy win for number 7. Mark, inaya kay Kobe, number 46. 46, one screen. We have screen. Kobe, jump shot. No good. Rebound na doon. Ang galing. Number 10. Kinuha yung layup. No good. Qualification. Rebound sa gilid. Kobe. Nasa kay Kobe. Kobe for 3. Bang. No good. Rebound number 9 sa Binay. Number 23. Number 23. Sumaksa. Binay. Oh. 32-30. In Federal. Binay ka. Bumaliktad na yung hangin. Number 69 sa Molde. Pinasa kay Kobe. Kobe gaining the ball. Pinasa kay Adol. Sumanaksak. 23. First shot, good goals. Second shot, Bandul. Mura ng snapper. Uy, grabe ka na. Uy, rebound na number 10. Ang galing. Jess Parucel. Jess, lumusot. Pasa ka Adol, clean up. Puntos by Stopper Boy. Number 23. Bobby Knights clearing the ball. Number 23. Crossover. Pinasa ka number 9. Pinasa ka number 8. All the way 3 points. Sure. Pasa ka yun. Kaya number 23. Oh, block. Number 7. Side step. Tira. Who's foul? Foul number 8. Penalty. Stop.
Hey, Mark.
In 18 out number 10. First shot for Binay, no good. Number 7. Second shot. Rebound is missed. Second shot, no good, too strong. Next time, run by next time. Jess, on the way. Umiran, no good. Too strong for Jess. Number 7 for Umiran, shooting the ball. Pinaka at 23. Number 23. Pinaka number 4, Umiran at place. No good, comes up short. Number 7, nakayuko, ang kalakan hindi. Who's forward? Sub next and ball. Sub. Out 8 and 11. Oh, good ref. Ganda na steal ng Binat. 33-32. Number 33, tumira ng place. Oh! What a practice shooting by number 23. Adol. Nasa kay Jess. Fouling violation. Cha-cha. Bawal mag-cha-cha sa larong basketball. Tayo. Number 11. Pinagdaka number 7. Sumalaksa. Pumunta sa rin. Number 10. Jess. Number 7. Jess. Tumira ito. No good. Number 7. Tumira. Pinagdaka na. Para Bigan. Time out. Number 9. Time out. 33-39. Love it. Nine points, 9-0 run.
Dalawa.
3 minutes na lang ang stop.
Tatlak.
Andong. Pinaka kay Kobe. Bumaba, umikot, tumira. Puntos kay Kobe. 35-39. Number 11, klasa sa ilalim. Tumira, no good, transaction. Kobe for rebound. Kobe, hindi nakita, wala yun. Kobe, silaksak. Foul number 11. Losing foul number 11. Second team foul. Alwas, tumira ng 3 all the way, no good. 23 for the rebound. Pinasa sa 11. B-Night, 11. Tumira. No good. Ang ganda ng mga full. Foul. Pushing foul. Penalty. Penalty. Galing ng coach ng B-Night. First shot, Portos. Second shot, No good. 35-42. That's the point sa end of third quarter. Fourth quarter, 2 timeouts each team. Tapos, stop clock tayo sa last 3 minutes, okay? (35-42) in favor of B-Lights. Last quarter of the game.
Look, di na.
Number 24, during the ball. Pinasa 11. Pinasa number 24. Wow! Who's foul? Foul number 10.
Third personal foul na daw.
First shot. Good goal. Ay. Second shot. Sulit. Number 10. Previously, Kobe tumira ng 3. No good. That's up short. Ang ganda talaga ng depensa ng B-Knights. Tight na tight. Number 11, sumalaksak, sumalsik, no good. Pinasa sa fast break. Number 69, Samolde. Layup. What an easy layup for Samolde. Next out, red, next out. Number 24, sumalaksak. Bumalik, no good, too strong. Wow. Number 24, foul number 24. Sub red, sub. 18 out, 9 in, 4 out, 7 in para sa B-Knights. Third personal foul na pala si Markel Diaz sa Andrew State. Bawa, nasa ka Jez, galing ka Malbas, ang ganda ng pasang, pinalin sa kanya, tumira, pumuntos. 39-44, 5 points na lang naman. Number 7, Sabines, pinasa 11, guided 3 points, no good, 2 shots. Rebound, pushing foul number 24. Third personal foul number 24, third personal foul. Yes, pinasa sa ilalim, ang ganda sana ng pasa. Next out, sub. In 23 for B-Knights, out number 24. Number 9 for B-Knights, taking his time, pinasa ka number 23. Number 23, sumalaksak, sumalsik, umiyak, no, kapsap short. Kobe, gigil, second step, umira, no good. Ganda ng depensa number 9, para sa B-Knights. Number 9, B-Knights taking his time. Number 9, B-Knights, steal ni, nabalik sa kanya. Ang galing. Number 11, foul orange, number 7. Number 11, Sabinas. Pinasa number 7, sumalaksak. Castil. Rainbow.
Labis sa clock na eh.
Tulong.
Tapi na yan.
20 seconds shot na. Sa muli, tumiran. Umonto. Next time, Red.
41 na Pidoy.
Yak lang. 15 seconds shot na. 3 points, Manalo. Number 7, no good, uy! Parang pinasa. Oh, foul! Wala pa rin! Number 9, foul pa!
Orange to.
Orange 7.
Kailan na? Ha?
Third personal foul, orange number 7. Timeout! Vilas! 41-47 in favor of Vilas by 6 points.
Bay! Bay! Lumain yung bayaw. Amo. Nabawa na araw ang pintura sa mga kaso. Maripiri, dilikuan. Buha lang.
Pinta-pinta na yun.
Good job, right?
Stop lang tayo, last ano? Last 3 minutes.
Pidoy, magti 3 minutes na.
First shot. Nihangyo mo. Number 18, Sunset. Porto. Vilas, number 8. That's number 7. 15 seconds. Shot clock. Number 18, in this league. Sunset, ang ganda ng pasa. Puntos sa Molde. 45-48. 3 points na naman. So 15 seconds. Shot clock. 10, 9, 8, Porto. Next time, Red. Next time. Yes. Number 7 from this thing. Kobe for 3. No good. Jesulit, no good. Sayang. Focus. Ten seconds shot clock. Focus. 47-52. Fifteen seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, oh. Following 3 points, no good. Rebound on the line. To be right. 20. 15 seconds. 10. Oh, steal. Sub B-Knights out number 7, in number 24.
Time to go.
Marvin tumira ng 3. Pumunto! 50-52. Warning for fourth personal foul, number 10. Fourth personal foul. Warning for penalty.
Time out.
Timeout! B9! What a free game! 50-52 in favor of B-Knights. Warning for penalty. Bring it in, guys. Give it on. Bring it in.
Hey, when you challenge, make sure you challenge.
Wala na ano pala, wala na.
17, 16, 15, 14, 12, 10. Focus! Time out! Wala nang timeout ha, wala nang timeout ay. May isa pa kayo timeout. May isa sila dito eh. Wala na. Wala na. Wala na kayo. Both teams ha, wala nang timeout. Ay, wala nang timeout ha. Wala nang timeout. Ay, wala nang timeout.
Nakadalawang time out yung B-Knights. Fourth quarter.
Kaya nga yun, ano,
Ha?
tatlo yun.
Hindi, pag fourth quarter kasi dalawa eh.
Honesty, may decision sa referee's decision, okay? Referee's decision. Referee's decision.
Time Pidoy. Time Pidoy.
Wait. I-review mo daw Pinay. Ilang sila Pinay? 6,000 lang.
Ha?
I-review mo daw. Anim na sila na players eh.
Wait lang, i-exit ko lang ha.